Welcome to our latest video. In this update, we'll be diving into the recent performance of Super Micro Computer, Inc., NASDAQ, SMCI, analyzing stock movements, expert opinions, and investor activity. Stay tuned as we break down the latest developments and what they mean for potential investors. On Tuesday, shares of Super Micro Computer, Inc., NASDAQ, SMCI experienced a remarkable uptick, surging by 6.7% in midday trading. The stock reached an intraday peak of $28.72 before settling at $28.64 by the end of the session. This surge follows its previous close at $26.85. Despite the price increase, trading activity was significantly lower than usual, with around 14,715,649 shares exchanged, approximately 55% below the typical daily volume of 32,610,902 shares. Financial analysts have recently provided a mix of assessments regarding SMCI's stock outlook. JPMorgan Chase & Company adjusted their stance, moving from a neutral to an underweight rating, while sharply cutting their price target from $50 to $23 in their November 6th report. Argus Research revised its recommendation, shifting from a buy rating to hold in their October 31st evaluation. Loop Capital offered a more bullish perspective, raising its price target from $35 to $40 while maintaining a buy rating in its January 23rd update. Another major research firm downgraded SMCI from hold to sell in its October 9th analysis. Goldman Sachs also revised its outlook, slashing its price target from $67.50 to $28, but maintaining a neutral stance in its November 6th report. Among the 19 analysts monitoring SMCI, 3 have issued sell ratings, 11 recommend holding, 4 suggest buying, and 1 has given a strong buy endorsement. MarketBeat data currently classifies the stock as a hold with an average target price of $62.89. From a financial standpoint, Super Micro Computer demonstrates solid liquidity with a quick ratio of 1.93 and a current ratio of 3.77. along with a debt-to-equity ratio of 0.32, indicating low leverage. The company holds a market capitalization of $19.82 billion, a price-to-earnings PE ratio of 16.99, and a beta of 1.30, reflecting moderate volatility. Examining recent performance trends, SMCI's 50-day moving average stands at $33.50, whereas its 200-day moving average is $41.55. signaling a downward trajectory in recent months despite the latest gains. Institutional investors and hedge funds have been actively adjusting their stakes in Super Micro Computer. Rakuten Securities, Inc. significantly expanded its position, increasing its stake by a staggering 391.8% in Q3, now holding 76,660 shares valued at about $31,921,000 after acquiring an additional 61,071 shares. Assetmark, Inc. displayed substantial confidence in SMCI, growing its holdings by 164.8% in Q3. This resulted in ownership of 150,333 shares, worth around $62,599,000, after adding 93,569 shares. Clear Creek Financial Management LLC entered a new position in Q4 with an investment of $635,000. Nepsis, Inc. also initiated a fresh stake in the company during Q4, committing $13,625,000. Sanctuary Advisors LLC made a significant move, increasing its position by 254.7% in Q3, now holding 30,634 shares valued at $12,756,000 after purchasing 21,997 additional shares. Collectively, institutional investors now control about 84.06% of Super Micro Computer's shares, highlighting substantial involvement from major financial entities. Super Micro Computer's stock has seen considerable fluctuations, with analysts presenting mixed expectations regarding its future performance. While some firms have expressed caution by lowering ratings and price targets, others remain optimistic about the company's potential. The stock's volatility is further influenced by strong institutional investment activity, with hedge funds making notable changes to their positions. As advancements in technology and enterprise computing continue, investors will be closely monitoring SMCI's upcoming financial reports, earnings calls, and broader market trends to determine its growth trajectory. Despite the recent price jump, the divided analyst opinions suggest potential unpredictability in the short term. For investors considering SMCI, it is essential to analyze industry trends, expert predictions, and market conditions before making any decisions. Observing institutional investor activity and keeping track of developments within the tech sector can provide valuable insights into the company's long-term growth potential and overall market position. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you in-depth market analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.